Welcome back, everyone. Here we are at the first season of the Combat Robotics Brick League. This is our second episode, and here is our fight card. Leading off, we got Hurt versus Munch. Second fight would be Biscuit Head versus Junkier. Then we got Roadkill versus the fan favorite of Tugboat. And for our main event, we have Bruin versus Pain. Let's check out our first fighters of the night. Hurt didn't really do so well in his first fight, finding himself out of the arena in about 10 seconds. He's put himself in a real hole, not really looking so good, at an 0-1 record. Really needs to make a win here. His challenger today will be Munch. Munch also is at an 0-1 record, but he's looking way better after going the distance with the killing machine Bruin. Munch put up a really good fight and is looking to pick up his first win here. Let's head on over to the arena and see who will pick up their first win tonight. The fight is on. Both bots spin up. Hurt comes out of the square first. Picked up by Munch. Munch drops the saw on Hurt. Way to start the fight for Munch. Munch has Hurt pinned. He drops the saw again. Munch is executing his perfect game plan to start off this fight. Still has Hurt pained. He's going to have to let go soon, but he is really doing a good job to start off this fight. Hurt finally able to escape. Spins up. Something just flew off of Hurt. Munch again drops the saw on Hurt. Munch is really taking the lead in this fight so far. Hurt flips over. Munch picks him up again. Whoa! Hurt almost just flew out of the arena. That was some serious recoil there. That's a big hit from Hurt, hitting the saw of Munch. Hurt's really shredding up Munch now. Munch drops that saw onto the spinner of Hurt. Dangerous move there, but he got away with it. Hurt getting back there again. Hurt's chasing Munch now. Some aggression there from Hurt. Hurt recoils away. Flips over. What is going on? I think Munch's spinner is now bent after all those hits from Hurt. Hurt's flipping over. Another saw drop from Munch. Whoa! Hurt just flipped over. Hit the wall. I think Hurt's spinner is now bent too. Both spinners are bent. Let's see if they can make it through the fight. Munch tries to drop the saw there, but it didn't hit. Hit something there. Hopefully that wasn't my computer. He drops the saw. Hurt gets away. Yeah, that spinner is definitely bent. And so is Munch's. They're each taking some serious damage. Hurt's doing some damage there. Gets a hit. Recoil is off Munch. 10 seconds left in the fight. See who can leave a final impression. Munch gets Hurt pinned again and starts dropping the saw. And that will do it. What a fight! We will go to the judge's decision to decide this one. Oh man, I would hate to be the judge on this one. This was such a close fight. There were robots flying, parts flying. Munch came out first, pinned Hurt, got some hits there. And look at this one. Whoa! Hurt just about recoiled himself out of the arena. Hurt got some serious hits in this fight. The winner of this fight by a split judge decision after close-up damage inspection, Hurt. Just like that, Hurt picks up his first win in the fight of his life. But now we move on to fight 2, which is Biscuit Head versus Junkier. Biscuit Head again is the lone flipper in the competition. The only non-spinner, the most unique robot here. He's had a lot of success so far. In his only fight, he took out Hurt right at the start of the fight. We will have to see how he matches up against the angled lifting spinner in Junkier. Junkier's new weapon has had some success against Tugboat in its first fight, after falling short in a judge decision in a well thought out match. We will see how he does in his second fight of the season. Let's take it to the box. Let the bot battle begin. Biscuit head over box rush right away, misses a flip. Junkier coming up to Biscuit head, hits right under that flipper. Unable to cause any damage, but hits him right in the most vulnerable area of the robot. Biscuit head misses another flip. Junkier on the offensive, hits the side, takes off a few decorative parts from Biscuit head. Biscuit head rushes. What a flip! Junkier's on the wall. I think he's stuck there. Let's get a countdown going. There's a countdown. Biscuit head almost takes him out of the arena, but he helps him out. Now Junkier's back in the fight. What are you doing, Biscuit head? Another flip, but Junkier sticks the landing. Junkier spins up, coming back on the offensive. Hits Biscuit head, unable to cause damage again. Biscuit head shoving Junkier, giving him a tour of the arena. Junkier spins up, see if he can finally cause some significant damage. Gets a hit there, nothing happens. Flipped upside down by Biscuit head. Biscuit head reloads, comes back on Junkier. He flips Junkier on top of the wall. Biscuit head's reloading. Can he get him out of the arena? 1 second left. He's out. Biscuit head gets him. And that's the fight. An out of the arena knockout for Biscuit head. That fight was all Biscuit head. Flip, flip, flip. Junkier was on his back half the fight and failed to cause any good damage to Biscuit head. As we all saw in the end, Biscuit head got his second out of the arena of the season. With 1 second to go in the fight. Got it just in time. And your winner by an out of the arena knockout, Biscuit head. Just a spectacular day so far. 2 amazing fights. And we'll take it to our third fight between Roadkill and everyone's favorite robot, Tugboat! Kerbal's only guest design makes its second appearance after a judge decision victory over Junkier in the first round. Tugboat did cause some damage in that fight, although it wasn't what could have been. Tugboat looks to make a comeback against Roadkill tonight. Roadkill had a rough first fight. He got destroyed by Pain. Very quickly into that fight, Roadkill lost one side of its drive and was left incapacitated. But we'll see how he does against Tugboat here in our fight 3 of episode 2. Here we go, fight number 3. Tugboat comes out. Roadkill comes out, they meet at center, hit by Roadkill. Nothing more happened there. Oh, the boat's gone from Tugboat. Oh. Something went flying out of Roadkill's spinner. Tugboat jumps into Roadkill. Spin move by Roadkill. Tugboat got the better of that exchange, jumping into his backside there. I think some of those electronics are exposed in the back of Roadkill now. That could be bad news. Another hit on the wheel by Tugboat. Tugboat trying to get around to that backside, but it curves off at the last second. Roadkill bumps into the wall. Hits Tugboat. Tugboat hits that wheel again. Oh, the backside's exposed to Tugboat. Another hit. Tugboat's doing a really good job this fight. Good hit there. That's a good hit by Tugboat. Another hit on the backside. And another. Oh, I think Roadkill's done. Good game, Tugboat. Yeah, Roadkill's done. He's not coming back. That's it. Fight's over. That fight was close for a little bit. But then Tugboat got a good hit on the back of Roadkill, which exposed the electrics, and then Tugboat later took advantage, knocking out Roadkill. Who would have guessed that Tugboat would come out to a 2-0 start? It's an amazing way to start off the season for Tugboat. And the winner by knockout, Tugboat! That's 3 great fights so far. Robots flying, parts flying, and electrics dying. But now it's time to take it over to the main event of the day, Bruin versus Pain. It's time to see a fight between the 2 heaviest, biggest spinners in the competition. Pain has a huge vertical disc weighing in over 200 grams. After a dominant win in its first fight over Roadkill, he looks to fight the undefeated robot in Bruin. Bruin shredded his way through Munch, although it went to the judges. Bruin did a lot of damage to Munch, ultimately winning because of it, and maintaining a perfect record. Let's take it over to the main event. I don't know what could be much better than the fights we've had this morning, but we'll just have to see right here in our main event. It's on. Bruin spins up. Pain spins up. Here they go. Whoa! Bruin flies upside down. Can he flip over? Oh, look, the spinner from Pain is destroyed too. It's been pulled out of the motor and won't spin anymore. Bruin, he can still drive upside down. In testing, he's been able to flip over, but can he do it now? He does. He is back. Oh, but that spinner's not balanced anymore. That wheel just flew out. Bruin shoved that Pain into the wall. Here he goes. Whoa! Big hit on Pain. And the wheel fell off of Pain. Pain's done. Bruin's gonna stay undefeated, taking the W here, and that is it. That was a very explosive main event from the first hit. Oh! After the first hit, Bruin fell upside down. Pain lost his weapon. Pain lost half his drive. But Bruin was able to self-right, which ultimately allowed it to spin up again and get this huge hit on Pain right here. Parts set all over our basement. And the winner by knockout, Bruin. Episode 2 did not let us down with several fights that made history. And we will see you again next time on episode 3 of the Combat Robotics Brick League.